The Hootsuite mobile app connects you to your customers wherever you are. To get started, download the app and log in with your Hootsuite credentials. Your streams will be preloaded based on how your desktop dashboard is set up and can be used the same way. So if you're at a conference, search the event hashtag and then add it to a stream to connect with other attendees. Edit or create streams and boards as needed. Any new streams added in mobile automatically sync with your desktop Hootsuite dashboard. Now, let's publish a post. Start by adding your social networks and a caption. You can customize your posts per network. Use the link shortener to save space and track link clicks, add relevant tags, and add your media. When you're ready, publish it now, use auto-schedule, or schedule it for a specific time. If it's not quite there, save it as a draft to finish later. Next up, we've got Plan, where you'll see all your scheduled and drafted posts. You can easily switch to your calendar view, edit post details, or tap a time slot to schedule a brand new post. For teams, you can create and edit posts collaboratively here too. Those with editing permissions can manage posts created by team members on their own mobile device or via desktop. Hootsuite Inbox is where you can manage social conversations across different channels in one place. Filter inbound messages to quickly find what you need, or assign them to a colleague to pick up. To make sure you never miss a new message, turn on push notifications for each social account and for posts that need approval.